Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have something new to share with you today. This is from Creative Kingfisher, all the way from the UK. Creative Kingfisher reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to share some of their products. So I am doing that right now. I have not opened this package. I don't know what's in here. I have gone to their website, which is creativekingfisher.com. First thing I see is inspired watercolors. Watercolor painting inspired by diversity in people, animals, and the beautiful UK Cornish landscapes. Then it says watercolor stickers and resources for planners, junk journals, and journaling. Let's go ahead and see what we have. I did go ahead and cut the tape. Of course, I removed the labels. So this is their branded tissue paper. Very nice. Let's see what's in here. We got bubble wrap. I was not expecting such a big package. Ooh. So let's take everything out. I already see washi tape. Everything's in baggies. Set this aside. And let's see. So this is their card. You were born to be creative. creativekingfisher.com. We have 2 sets of the washi tape. I'm going to open one. And it's colorful. Looks like beach houses. Are these beach houses? So that's what that one looks like. I'm not going to unroll all of them because I'm pretty sure you can see pretty much. Oh, I love this one with the greenery on it. And I like that butterfly. I like that one. We got desserts, tea, pots, and desserts. And we got the butterflies. And what are these? These are birds, and I like this one too with the floral. So that's what that one looks like. Very nice. Okay. I have to look at my prompts because I'm pretty sure that I probably have prompts that, for the Scrapcraftastic weekly planner and journal challenge that would work great with these. This is what the packaging looks like. Lazy afternoons, watercolors by Nairi. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, which I should know because I did go and watch a few of their videos. I will also link to their YouTube channel because they also have videos. Okay, so let's just look at one of these because I think these are 2 of the same. So I'm gonna just open this one, a nice baggie, again in the branded tissue paper. Let's see if I can slide this out. Oh, okay. So I slid that out really fast and things went flying. So this is what we got. So we got a decorative pen with the crown with the rose gold. We got a rose gold charmed paper clip. These are nice. I'm working on using beads, doing different things with beads right now. Like I started last night. That like that. Okay, so those 2 go. So this is a postcard. And remember, the artwork that you're seeing here is watercolor by the artist Nairi. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly because I don't remember if I am. Oh, I love this. This is a stick pen with stacked teacups. So all of this, I'm getting a Alice in Wonderland type of vibe from this. So I didn't mention it earlier, but when I saw the teapots in here, I thought Alice in Wonderland, but I didn't say anything. And now I see the stacked teacups. That gives me Alice in Wonderland vibes. So does all of this does, really. I don't know why. Let's see what this is. This looks like some vintage ephemera. Oh, just gonna have to wing it with this because I can't read the packaging. So these are oversized, looks like washi stamps. So this is kind of reminiscent of some of the things I've received from your creative studio. But these are like postal stamps. They are just extra large. And you get multiples of each one. I like that one with the pink rose. Let's see if there's anything I can use in my current project over on Journal Life's Journey. If you're not subscribed to that channel, go check it out. Maybe hit that subscribe button while you're there. If you haven't hit the subscribe button here, you can hit that one too. Okay, anyway, so yes, this is a collection of different stamps. These are upside down. I don't see anything that will really work for my project though, because it's mostly yellow. But those are gonna come in handy. I can use those. Let's see. I can get them all put back together neatly. All right, on to the sticker book, the star of the show. This is Lazy Afternoons by Creative Kingfisher, watercolors by Nairi. And this is what the back looks like. There she is. Okay. So was I right about those? Are those beach houses, or these are beach houses? Maybe. I don't know. Okay. So here we go. We got watercolor stickers. Let's check the sticker paper. Okay, it's matte. That's a bonus right off the bat. It's not overly thick. It's just like a regular sticker paper, a nice weight. Okay, so we got the florals, the desserts, the butterflies, and the bumblebees, the teapots, the teacups. That is so cool that that was made into a pen. Look at that. Very cool. The teapots and the desserts from the washi tape. More florals. So we have, I guess, 2 of each set of pages. Okay. Then we get into the boxes, the full boxes. Nice. And they are decorative. These are nice. Okay, then we get some colorful boxes. Different sizes, so sidebar. I think this is some type of double box, quarter box. And I'm guessing that these are sized for the Happy Planner, but of course you can use them in any planner. These are probably monthly boxes. You get some checklists, and those are the color schemes for these stickers. Cool. Days of the week, months, and the month date dots, and 2 sets. Nice. Okay. Then I guess this is the next set of decos. So again, all of this is watercolor. And very cool. Got the beach scene going on. Yes, I think I was right. Those are beach houses. Okay, so we got 2 of each of those pages. Then we get the boxes that match. I love this color scheme with the lavender color, a green, but it's not overpowering, and a blue. Very subtle coloring. Okay. Okay, then this is the next set of deco. I'm just checking out the artwork. And then here we go. 2 of each page, and then you get the I guess these would be decorative colorful boxes maybe. Then the colorful boxes. These kind of look like Halloween colors. And then you get again the days of the week, the months, and 2 sets of date dots. Then here's some quotes. Better on the beach, like that, waves of adventure. Sandy bottoms. And then that is it. Wow, I think that's so cool. 30 sheets, original artwork. One thing I really like about the original artwork aspect is that I can't go anywhere else and see this, or no other seller is going to have this. Everything is just original and unique. I would really love to have these 2 in a bigger format, because I think of everything, these 2 items are my favorite. Of course, I love the florals too, but the teapot and the teacups, super cute. Okay, so we got the sticker book, we got the washi tape, we got the planner clip or the paper clip, decorative paper clip, some washi stamps or jumbo washi stamps, and a postcard. So the sticker book, postcard, washi tape, original artwork. Just put these with the backing. And then the stick pen, and then the writing pen. Okay, so all of that, and I am guessing that it's basically the same thing in here. I don't know if I should open it. I'm going to try and open it carefully just to take a peek, because I think it's all the same. Yes, yes. Oh, that one is pink or peachy colored. But yes, okay. So this one is going to be given away. Oh, I can't. I'll let the tape fold onto itself. Okay. I'll have to put some washi tape on that. Let's use some of my washi. So yeah, this one is going to be given away. And as far as I know, it has the same or similar items included. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is comment below and let me know how you would use the stickers in the sticker book. What planner would you use them in? What type of spread would you create? Let me know in the comments below. And also you can go ahead and shop at Creative Kingfisher. It's creativekingfisher.com. Hopefully you can see that. Just put this back. And you can use my code Rachelle10. I'll put all that information in the description box below. The washi tape will be part of the giveaway as well. So it's the washi tape and everything that's in this bag. All the information for Creative Kingfisher and the giveaway will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. You may also be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.